I'm back over doing street tear outs today, and found a rosy dime yesterday, so maybe I'll find something good today. All right. Some kind of aluminum hammer thing. Look at that mess. That's heavy duty fencing or something. Obviously someone with way too much time on their hands. They say your body needs iron. It's a good nutrient. That's my daily supply right there. Check out this, not to be confused with a sex toy object. What it is. I was just scooping away the dirt and I seen something here. Huh. Let me get back with you on that. Looks like an old nickel. Yes, it is an old nickel. Just got my second key of the year. Looks like a Dodge key.